Okay, I'm here with Jon Bush, and we just wanted to talk a little bit about the role of the Agile project manager. He's got a lot of experience in this space, not only doing a delivery manager role, but also as a hiring manager. If you could go back in time and you're moving into, this Agile space, what would you tell your new Agile project manager self?
I think sometimes we forget to make sure we're staying in tune with the context for what we're doing, right? I
Mhm.
always tell, new agilists, don't forget that the entire idea is to be able to try things and fail fast in the business and with technology and with our teams. Fail fast, fail safely, get customer feedback. Those three things, I believe, are kind of the foundation of Agile. And none of those things that I just said are the words budget, timeline, or resources, right?
Well
Those three
done.
words don't exist in there.
Now, I don't want to age us, John, but I suspect when we started, we were some of the newer people into business.
Mhm.
Now it feels like when somebody goes to search for an agile project management job that they have to have all kinds of experience. So what would you advise somebody who wants to make that switch into agile project management but doesn't have the experience?
To focus on the skills that you build upon. For example, a business analyst job is a great stepping stone into a more functional leader sort of position. In my organization, for example, we use the term functional product specialist or FPS. We've kind of borrowed that term from other organizations, and there are two levels of those. The first is our agile analyst, and the second is which is pretty darn close to a product owner. And the second is more of a delivery lead for us, right? So we kind of use one as the stepping stone into the other. And I would say for anybody trying to get in, if you're struggling with not having the experience, find those stepping stones, right? They're out there. You just have to look for them a little bit.
That's great advice. So
Nice.
here's a question. And last question,
Mhm.
how do you bring what's an area of your life that you feel like agility presents itself?
Before I think we started talking here, we were briefly talking about my history as I own a sailboat, and I run a sailboat racing team. All those same concepts apply, right? Fail fast, try things and learn. Measuring our results and then figuring out how to pivot. The culture of openness and transparency. All those things apply. So whether it's running a sailing team or you coach a little league baseball team, which I know is a big one for some of my peers, to how you parent, all these same theories apply. And I think the more you learn about it, the more places you'll start seeing that it can apply.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks for your time.
Mhm.